So I thought I'd show how my improvised target training stick works. And I'm going to use my cat to do it. Hey, touch. Good kitty. I don't have a clicker, but you can just kind of click with your mouth and that works as well. That's kind of what an expert taught me. But yeah, so come on, up here. Where you going? Touch. Good kitty. It definitely works as well as any of the store-bought ones. All right, going down here. Touch. I didn't click very good on that one. Let's see if I can get him to twirl. Hey, touch. Come on, touch. 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 Should probably go wide angle. It's hard to... There we go. It's hard to show everything all at once. All right, hey, come on, up here. Touch. Oh. Touch. Oh, was I too slow? Hey, touch. Good kitty. But yeah. Cheap and effective if you have a if you have a thing of chopsticks and a 3D printer and some glue.